Stand in a neutral position, rub your belly to wake up your abdominal muscles. Widen your stance, place your hands on your hips, drop your knees a little and tilt forward slightly at the belly to slacken off your abdomen. Take a light, slow, relaxed and long breath in and out through the nose as preparation. Whilst holding your breath, yet relaxed as possible, suck your whole belly in and hold for a few seconds. Then push your whole belly outwards and hold for a few seconds. Return to the neutral position. Take a light, slow, relaxed and long breath in and out through the nose. Whilst holding your breath, yet relaxed as possible, slowly alternate between sucking in and pushing out your belly for a few rounds. As and when you need to, return to the starting position, well before the need to gasp. Take another breath in and out again. Repeat this cycle. Explore the sucking and pushing to different areas of your abdominal region as you go. Go as strong as you feel is comfortable. Take it easy and make sure to avoid any heavy breathing reactions. Stay relaxed and loose.